India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its state where it is. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all others, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. To my country, India will be and to society, and always my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by C. Swecha from Grade-VII Cerulean. International news. A mild 4.0 magnitude earthquake structured debate with no major damage report. National news. The Indian rupee deepened to a record Rs 90.42 against the US dollar. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good morning everyone. Today's Internet Sports and State News brought to you by B. Navyaditya of Grade-VII Cerulean. Sport News. Miss Maina has 3 days got to tour designates today across 4 citizens. State News. Former BJP MLA Guttender's son named prime accused in Highland voters fraud case. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by C. Swecha from Grade-VII Cerulean. Maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, wind speed 7 km per hour. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Vishnu from Grade-VII Cerulean. Thought: winning is not everything. Effective teamwork and learning from mistakes make it really strong. I repeat my thought: winning is not everything. Effective teamwork and learning from mistakes make it really strong. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Rohan from 7th D. Today's word is brought to you by Rohan from 7th D. Word: resilient. Meaning: able to recover quickly from difficulties, in strong and flexible. Friends, please spell after me. Resilient. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-T. Resilient.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by C. Harshvardhan from Grade-VII Cerulean. Question for Grade-VII. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? Yes, will be the right answer. And answer is Brazil. Let us appreciate them. In which question for grade 8? In which sport is the Ryder Cup awarded? Yes, will be the right answer. And answer is golf. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which athlete has won the most Olympic medals in history? Yes, with the right answer. And answer is Michael Phillips. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Which Indian woman won Indian first Olympic medal in boxing? Yes, with the right answer. And answer is Mary Kom. Let us appreciate them. Which bowler has the most wickets in Test cricket? Yes, with the right answer. And answer is Muttai Muralidhar. Let us appreciate them. Where Eden Garden Stadium is located? Yes, with the right answer. And answer is Kolkata. Let's appreciate them. Thank you.
My name is Edgo, Grade-VII Cerulean. Today I am here to speak some words on sports. Sports are essential for a healthful body and sharp mind, teaching us vital life skills like teamwork, discipline, and essential. And leadership forms behind just physical fitness helps us handle success, humble and failure gracefully, building greatness for a school, work for life, and providing joy and seriousness and refresh. Thank you.